Well, we're at the Weaver's house today, Marshall Roofing, siding, windows, and doors, and we're going to be replacing their front entry door and side lights. This door is the Provia door. It's a steel door, 20-gauge steel, with a simulated wood grain. So it looks like wood, but it's steel. So shortly we'll go ahead and take out the old door, and then we're going to be putting in the new one. Let's watch as Don and his team, Jose and Victor, remove the old door step by step. The door's been removed, and we're down to the wood frame. So we're taking a look to make sure there's no rot. And from what I'm seeing here, everything looks good. This door's been under the enclosure some, so there's no rot. But we do run into rot now and then. We replace that before the new door goes in. So everything looks good. Next step is to finish unpacking the door and bring it over and install it.
Keeper right here. In this case, in order for the door to close tight and to be in sync with the deadbolt, we've just got to move the keeper in just a touch. It's fully adjustable. Just a little bit more. That's it. Now that the door is closed all the way and engaged, the deadbolt operates correctly. It's good to go. The other handle is just a dummy handle. It doesn't have a latch or anything. It just sits there and looks pretty.
All right, the door has now been installed. There's a 1/4-inch gap around the door, which we leave so that we can adjust the door. Now we're going to fill that with this non-expanding foam, specifically designed for doors and windows. So does it expand any or not?
It does, but it expands until it gets resistance. That way it's not squeezing your windows or doors. It says right on the can, window and door formula.
We just finished the installation of this new Provia French door with side lights. It took about 2.5 hours, start to finish. We covered the exterior trim with aluminum cladding to protect it. This system comes with a lifetime warranty from Provia. We hope that this video has been informative, and thank you for watching.